Don't just trade anytime. Choose the right trading section to trade. And in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to do that, how to choose the best time to trade in the day. So we have 4 trading sections in the day. We have the Sydney section, we have the Tokyo section, we have the London section, and we have the New York section. So if you do not know how to get these sections and how to convert these sections to your local time, don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So what you're going to do is to go to your browser, type in forexfactory.com. So to convert the time to your local time, you have to come to this time. So you click on it, then you will come to time zone. Change the time zone to your time zone. So when I click here, you will see all the time zones, okay? So my own time zone is GMT +1, West African Central Time. I'm in Nigeria, so that is why I have to set that at that point. So if you're in any other part, just look for your time zone here and select your time zone and save it. All right, then you come to AM PM, so you choose AM PM, or if you like it to be 24 hours, you choose, but I like leaving mine as AM PM. Once you're done, click on save. So you can also see that I'm having a synchronized time. Okay, the above is the synchronized time. It matches the time on my device. So this is about 2:55 a.m. here in Nigeria. That is when I'm making this video. You can see we spend lots of time trying to make sure that we serve you. That is why you must appreciate every of the videos we make and do engage. Okay, engage with your comments, engage with your likes, engage by sharing the video, and also ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when we release next videos. So once you've changed the time and you've ensured that this time here is the same as the time on your device, then part of the job is done. You can then scroll down to the bottom part of this. You scroll down to the bottom just after the news and latest stories here. You will see the points that is sections. Okay, so you will tick it, you will tick the box to ensure that it's live. When you don't tick the box, you will only be seeing gray sections here, but when you tick the box, it updates live. So each section is shaded green. It's telling you that that is the section that is on at the moment. So we have the Sydney section on and we have the Tokyo section on right now. Now the best time to always trade is when you have the overlap of 2 sections. So in this case, you have the overlap from this point, from around 1 a.m. Nigerian time to 7 a.m. Nigerian time. That will be the overlap of the Sydney section and the Tokyo section. Now remember that the Sydney section and the Tokyo section, the trading volume is always light. You may not have the kind of trading activities you will get when you're trading the overlap of the London session and the New York session. Now the Sydney session will end 7 a.m. Nigerian time, while the Tokyo session will continue until around 10 a.m. Nigerian time. Then the London session is going to start about 8 a.m. Nigerian time. If you set the timing, it will be showing your own local time. So by 8 a.m. Nigerian time, the London session will start and we'll be having an overlap of the Tokyo section and the London session. By then, the Sydney session will be over and will now be turned gray, just like this one is turned green right now. So by 10 a.m. Nigerian time, this Tokyo section will be over and only the London section will be on until around 5 p.m. Nigerian time. But by 1 p.m. Nigerian time, the New York session will start, and this period is the busiest in the Forex world when you have the overlap of the London section and the New York section. So if you're trading, just ensure you don't miss this period where you have overlap of London section and the New York section. Lots of activities happen here. This is when you can make lots of money. Yes, when you have the Tokyo section overlapping the London section, that's also a very busy time, but this is the busiest because these are the 2 most traded sections in the globe. So ensure you always get these sections, okay? And that is when you have most of the economic news being released and it shapes the dynamics in the market. So that is how you ensure that you follow the sections. So if you want to know the exact section you're trading in right now, just come back to this section period and you will see it, but ensure that this is selected, okay, and that will be updating with time. You can see that the time in Sydney is 12 p.m, the time in Tokyo is 11 a.m, time in London right now is 3 a.m, while the time in New York right now is 10 p.m. So as this marker moves, this marker keeps moving. As it moves, it updates the time, and when any session opens, that session turns green. So that is exactly how you know the sections that you are in, and also ensure you're trading the right section. And I've told you in this video, always trade the overlap of two sections. That is also when you have more volumes being traded in the market. So ensure you always take advantage of that overlap between the London section and the New York section. That is when lots of activities happen. So I hope this helps. If it does, share the video, hit that like button, and ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I release my next video. Cheers.